everybody, my name is HaleyDaze and welcome to an unboxing. I have got an unboxing thingy, again, another subscription, but this time it's the Pokemans. Ethan's doesn't have one.
It's because I'm Team Rocket. They don't care. The Postal Service knows. They do know who you are.
Yeah, look, his box is even all janked.
Yeah, they didn't care about my box. But it's alright. I'm Team Rocket. It's expected.
I am so ready to open this though. Ethan, knife. It's a Team Instinct knife because Team Instinct is best team.
Yes.
Fight me. This is August crate, even though we just got them yesterday and it's the 31st. So they really right on the end there. But let's see. Okay, on the top we have, looks like a bag.
I'm actually okay with this. It's got nice little pockets in it.
Oh yeah.
A nice match.
Ooh. It's like one of those cheap bags, but like a nice cheap bag.
Yeah.
Is this what you're not supposed to do?
Yes.
Oh.
I'm just glad it's not white.
Alright, sweet. So I got things to put my Pokeballs in.
Okay.
Is this a hat?
What is that?
It's very... What? You got a different one! Oh!
It's the grass TV.
Oh, it is. I got, crap, it's all in foreign. Ethan, which Eevee is this?
I forget the name, but it's the fairy Eevee. Yes. I get that.
They got all of them? I didn't know there was more than what Pokemon Go had. I'm still learning. So there's 1, 2,
There's 3 extras.
Do they expect us to win?
I don't know. But it's happening.
So onto the cards. Oh. I got a Ludicolo. He's got furry swipes. Or Fury.
Fury swipes.
Furry swipes.
That could be bad.
Furry swipes. Well, you got all. I got this stupid guy. Why do they come in these?
Because these are actual playing cards that are in good condition.
Yours is in foreign. Oh, you got a better one than me.
I got a Japanese Pichu. But yeah, in some cases you're supposed to get a shirt or a plushie instead of a hat. Woo!
Thanks so much for watching. A lot shorter than I thought it was gonna be. I don't know. Maybe we'll figure out extra stuff to put in here to throw it up a notch. I don't know.
Maybe. Maybe.
But if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Links to next and previous are always down in that description. And we will be catching you later. Pokemans!
Yeah.
Pokemon! Pokemans!
Even the Jamas.
Jealous?
Somewhat.